It's our meteorology segment. Let's get right to it and look at the jet streams. Here are the jet streams of the eastern world. Doubled up and tripled up in the southern hemisphere, a little more coherent in the north. Jet streams blowing backwards once again over the northern portion of the Indian Ocean. Jet streams here blowing east to west, as you can see here, south of India. And here are the surface winds for the eastern world. Strong winds in the Southern Ocean there, south of Australia and so on. A series of clockwise rotating low-pressure systems down there. Let's check surface winds of the west. There are the western world's surface winds. Here are the 250 hectopascal winds. It's a specific pressure associated with the jet stream. And look at the extreme meridional jet stream flow once again. Jet stream blowing almost due south here. Blowing almost due north over here. It's what's responsible for your turbulent weather. Some extreme bends in the southern hemisphere as well, like this 90-degree bend where there's a convergence happening off the west coast of South America. And the jet stream is going to be pushing some colder temperatures into the mid-Atlantic states where we're located. Next, the lightning mapper. Here is the NASA GOES lightning mapper and some strong lightning areas here over especially southeastern Texas. And pardon me. Excuse me. All right. Here's a real-time lightning map, courtesy lightningmaps.org. And we see some terrestrial lightning over the U.S. Hey, Houston. You've got some lightning around your location. There's thunder rolling in. Thunder rolling into Humble, Texas, and Crosby and Sheldon. If you're in Houston on a skyscraper, go take a video of the cloud tops. As that is a powerful and concentrated lightning storm, you may see some sprites or pink jellyfish or green elves or who knows what could be going on, emitting UV light above those cloud tops. Also Eastern Europe seeing some lightning, but very active cells there over the southern U.S. Next, looking at pressure cells. Here's where pressure is. Here's where pressure is around now. And we'll advance this into tomorrow. There's the European forecast for pressure at 1300 hours. That's 1 p.m. 1 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Again, the European forecast, courtesy windy.com. Here is the U.S. Doppler radar map. And quite a bit of rain here, stretching all the way from Maine to Mexico. A long band of precipitation, most of it fairly scattered. Here's what's going on the cloud layer. It's too dark to see it. We use the 3.9 nanometer radiation map, part of the NASA GOES Interactive Weather Satellite Suite. It's pretty sweet. Pretty sweet, bruh. There's the water vapor map. And you can see the jet stream dipping down like this, making its way to the east, finally sweeping across the country, taking over the weather pattern a little bit here as convective forces have been in control of your weather in the U.S. for the past couple of weeks here. The jet stream has been well north of the U.S. Anyway, here's a recap. The Doppler radar map. There's the cloud layer. And there's the water vapor. That should help to give you some insight into how things are moving. Thanks for tuning in to today's meteorology segment. Thanks for leaving a comment. John of Life Force Rejuvenation. Word up, yo. I've been your host, Dan, a.k.a. smAsho, signing off from Smash News Network. Least busted. Name in news.